What's up guys, my name is Brovex and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to completely solve a Rubik's Cube. This video serves as a part 2 to my tutorial on how to solve a face, the first layer, and the second layer. In this video we're going to be starting off from this position and then we're going to completely solve the cube just like this. So in this video we're going to be using algorithms. So before we get started, let's quickly go over some of the movements. So the first movement is going to be R. R is going to be the right face, and it's going to be just like this. Then we have L. L is the left face, and it's going to be this movement. Then we have U. U is going to be the upper face, and it's going to be this movement. Then we have D. D is the lower face, and it's going to be this movement. Then we have F. F is the front face, and it's going to be this movement. And then we have B. B is the back face, and it's going to be this movement. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to solve the cube up to the second layer. So now that we've completed the Rubik's Cube up to the second layer, we're going to turn the cube over, and from now on we're going to use this face as our top face. So our first goal is to create a cross. So there's going to be two scenarios. This is going to be the first scenario. So we need to put a yellow piece here and a yellow piece here. And we're going to use the following algorithm to take this yellow piece and move it here, and take this yellow piece and move it here. So F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. So now we've created our cross. So now here's the second scenario. So this is the second scenario where we have to put a yellow piece here and a yellow piece here. So we have to use the following algorithm. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. So now we're brought back to the first scenario. So again we have to repeat the algorithm. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And now we have our cross. So those are the two scenarios you're going to have to go over to complete the cross. So now we're ready for the next step. So for this next step, our goal is to line up each of these side pieces with their respective color. So we have red, which matches up with red, green, which matches up with green, but then we have a blue, which doesn't match up with an orange, and an orange, which doesn't match up with a blue. So what we're going to do is use an algorithm which changes this orange piece and moves it here, and moves this blue piece over here. So let's do that. So R, U, U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So now if we rearrange this real quickly, we find that everything is now lined up. So that's the scenario you're going to go through to line up all these side pieces with their correct color face. So let's go on to the next step. So our next goal at this point is to replace one of these corner pieces with a yellow piece. We're going to use this algorithm which takes each corner piece and reorientates it. So you have to do the following: L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. So now, as you can see, we've placed a yellow piece in one of the corner pieces. So now we're ready for the next step. So for this next step, our goal is to place a yellow piece in this corner. So we're going to use the following formula: L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. So now we're ready for the next step. So for this next step, we want to complete this green face. So we have to replace these two blue corner pieces with green pieces. So the first green piece we're going to put here is going to be located here. And we know that we need this green piece because it has a red corner, which matches up with this red side, a yellow, which matches up with this, and a green, which matches up with this. So we have to use the following formula: L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. So for this next step, we have to find a green piece that goes here. And we find that green piece here. And we know that because it has an orange, which matches up with the orange face, and a yellow, which goes up here. So we have to orientate the cube like this, and use the following formula: L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. So now we've completed this green face, and we've also have these corner pieces in the right orientation. So now we're ready for our last step. So for this last step, what we have to do is take this yellow piece and move it here, and take this yellow piece and move it here. So now we're going to perform this using one algorithm, but it's going to be the longest algorithm. So we're going to have to do the following: R, U, U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, U, L, U, L prime, U, L. And with that, congratulations, you've completely solved the Rubik's Cube. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or want to see more videos like this, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer. This is Brovax. Thanks for watching.